documented miles. Come from an estate, nice old pickup. And you can see all the gauges working. This is the only thing wrong with it is that center horn deal, which on a lot of these Fords is bad. See the steering wheel's a little bit out of alignment, but doesn't pull or anything.